Hey guys, we have just made the English video lectures live on the PrepLadder app. English lectures ka purpose is not to promote any particular language. We just want to make sure that we make the concepts as easy as possible for as many students as we can.
कि जितना अर्थ के क्लोज ऑर्बिट होगा उतना ज्यादा ग्रेविटी का उसके ऊपर इम्पैक्ट होगा.
Now, if you ask me why these lectures are important, our aim as a company is to make sure that our students have the best conceptual clarity, and since our faculty is more comfortable in English and Hindi, that is why we launched a course for our students.
मार्केट में आप जाओगे $1 दोगे, $1 की नोट दोगे तो आप 70 रुपए मिलते.
Now you can access video lectures in dual languages. This enhances your understanding of the concepts. So I hope you make the best use of this feature and make your dreams come true. All the very best.